guys, if you want to see me go from this to this, then keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and join the hashtag Royalty Squad. Let me just leave you to enjoy the video now. Bye. So I'll be using the S Cosmetics lip scrub in Candy Floss to just take away those germs from my lips. Not germs, because I'm licking it off, and it tastes delicious. And I'll be using the S Cosmetics gloss in Boss to just make my lips lustrous and moisturized. So I'll be using my La Roche palette, and just using the brightest pink I can find in the palette. My eyes was primed, but the concealer was quite close to my skin tone, that's why the color is not popping. So I'll just put that all over my lid. Like, this look will literally take you 5 minutes, like 5 minutes or a bit more. And I'm using this deep purple from Poundland. Like, there's really no need for it, but if you want to be extra, I can just put one extra color. So I'll be topping up with this eBay mascara and just brush up my eyelashes and act like I'm actually doing something, but I don't know what that does to your eyelashes. And I'll be using the S Cosmetics lashes in Vicky to just complete the whole eye look. Bam, bam, bam. I love these lashes because they are really simple. So I'll be using the Makeup Revolution and L'Oreal foundations. The Makeup Revolution one was a scam because I thought it was darker, but it wasn't, so I have to mix it, and the MUA Skin Define Powder just to set my under eye. Like, if you leave it for too long, it's going to make you ashy. I don't know why I was so extra. I put too much. I was feeling like a makeup artist. Oh my gosh, man. Okay, come on, next clip now. So I'll just be brushing off, I can't even speak English anymore. I'll be brushing off the powder from my face just so I don't get too ashy. I left it for like 30 seconds because literally it clings onto your dry skin. As you can see in the middle of my forehead, it doesn't want to blend. Stubborn powder, but I'm not throwing it out till it finishes because I don't want to waste my money. Alright then, I'll just be making sure everything is well blended. And I'll be using the S Cosmetics, so much S Cosmetics because it is my brand. Anyways, S Cosmetics Highlight in Glowrious, just take a look at that. Ooh, glow baby. Blind them haters. Just be applying that to where the sun is going to hit on my face, because this is meant to be a simple glowy look, and it's summer already, so why can't you just flaunt your glow? Why not? Look at me just chilling making a voiceover. Anyways, I'll be adding the same highlight in my inner tear duct because we have to glow. The look is simple, but we just have to glow. And to my Cupid's bow as well. I later blended it out, so don't kill yourself. I'll just be putting on this do-rag from S Cosmetics as well. I'll be tying it to make me look like an Insta body. Ew. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. You've seen the end look anyways at the beginning of the video. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. By the way, let's take a second and look at this beauty. Wow. Okay, bye.